Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you something. It's a gun, it can shoot, it's not airsoft, it's not paintball, it is nerf. I bought this quite a while ago when I was primary 6, if I'm not wrong, and I will show it to you now. This is my nerf gun. I bought it quite a while ago. I asked my friend to help me spray paint it black and white. It's quite nice. It's not quite nice, it's very nice. It's very lightweighted. It's portable, as you can see. Yeah. This is the dart. It shoots this. I don't think it hurts because of this suction cushion, but it sticks on glass and metal. I will show you how to load it. I'm using one hand, so it's quite hard. Load it. I'll show you how does it feel like when you shoot it. I'll shoot it at the door. See the sights. I don't think it hurts lah, but try not to aim at the head or the eye if you're playing Nerf War. Maverick with 6 is its name. I'll let you a few seconds to admire it. It's not really modified yet, but maybe sooner or later I'll ask my friend to help me modify it. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.